Good day, family. Good day, good day, good afternoon, good evening, good morning. You understand? This is afternoon. This is New York section, but I don't know what is the time on your end here, man. I don't know what's the time at your end here. So yesterday, I supposed to come on live video. You understand? Because there's something I see day before yesterday. You understand? I'm supposed to like that is giving me more confidence to come on live video. If you watch my day before yesterday live stream, you see that I was talking about coming on live video yesterday to come and take trade with you guys during London section. If you have not watched that particular video, yeah, like it will be very, very good, you understand, for you to go and watch that particular video. There is something exactly that I see that makes me, that's giving me more confidence to come on live video yesterday to come and take trade with you guys during London section. I don't know if there is network issue at your end, but if there is no net, Clyde. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. You're welcome, you're welcome. I can see you guys. And first here between before did you paid already? Somebody paid for us. I'll say for us. Somebody paid for us. And I said it under that particular first this thing. Somebody paid for us. You understand? Because like it pains me. As I had not come to that particular London section live video yesterday, it pains me, but I don't know what to do. There is a lot of big down for me. You understand? So that's yesterday live video during that London section that I promised you guys since the first day. Immediately I end that particular London section live video. That day first day live video, they send me email that I've reached my limit. You understand? That are supposed like go subscribe before I can be able to use the platform. Almost it breaks me down. You understand? So during London section yesterday, I tried to come on live video. Like they not even allow me to even enter at all. You understand? So the thing pains me, but I have no option than to just leave it because I don't have, not that I don't have the money, but a lot of the period that we are in, you understand? So a lot of things just did down for me to cover, you understand? That's the only reason why I'd not subscribe immediately that yesterday and come on live video with you guys. So somebody help us and do the subscription. Immediately I post that video. I just post that video just to like explain the reason why I said I'll come on live video during London section yesterday, and I could not be able to come. I just make that video to like let you guys know, because you guys are like my family, just as I always said it. You understand? You guys are like my family. I I take you guys like my family, my community, like people that I cannot lie to, you understand? So I just make that video just to like apologize for you guys, so that you guys will know exactly why, the reason why I've not come on that particular live video that during London section yesterday. But God so kind, one of our brother paid for the subscriptions, you understand? So that's the reason why you see me here now like this. And there's something I'm seeing on good, you understand? There's something I'm seeing on gold. Let me add gold. Let me add. There's something I'm seeing on gold since, you understand. I enter a gold for, let me see, UD, you are here, man. Benv, the endorphin candle king. You did the king. You did the king. You did the king. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank God you are here. May the Lord Almighty bless you. I swear, may the Lord Almighty bless you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So there is something I'm seeing on good. You understand? There's something I'm seeing on good. So I thought maybe God would do a double this head and shoulder. You understand? I'll be waiting for God to do this head and shoulder as he move from here, come to this particular area, then give this particular head. You understand? I've been waiting for it. This move from here, I've been waiting for it to come to Atlas. He refused to do that. You understand? It has not reached this particular area, this particular shoulder. You understand? And if you go to 4 hour time frame, the reason why you're not supposed to do anything concerning buy from this support level, you should go to, I'm even in a buy, you understand, before on this particular area from here. I enter for a buy, but Immediately I do a top down analysis and I see a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, I opt out that particular buy immediately. You understand? And this is the bearish engulfing candle. You understand? You see this bearish candle, before the market climb above this particular bearish candle, it will be hard. So all we need to do is to like at least wait for the market to come up, come to this particular area. You understand? Just as I mark it out on 15-minute time frame. Wait for the market to come and make a head and shoulder, then we'll enter for a sell. But I see it look as if the market cannot be able to make that head and shoulder, or it's trying to make people enter. You understand? Then it will break to the downside. That's exactly what I'm seeing today. You understand? On good. Because already, if you look at how yesterday candlestick closed, let me hide everything. If you look at how yesterday candlestick close, this one is a pin bar, this is a pin bar here, and this is red candle. So I'll be expecting today candlestick to close bearish. You understand? So if you go to that particular 15-minute time frame, it's just to wait for the market to give a head and shoulder, a clean head and shoulder. You understand? Then we'll go in for a sale. That's the only thing. If the market can be able to come to this particular area, if the market can be able to come to this particular area, then we'll just go in for a sale. Then if we go in for a sale from this particular area, if we go in for a sale from here like this, then our stop loss will be above. Let me show you guys. Our stop loss will be above this particular bearish engulfing candle, because anything that will make the market go above this bearish engulfing candle means the market is going to create another higher high. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm looking out for. You understand? At least we'll target 1 to 3. Because if the market can be able, let's just wait. We'll wait a bit. Let's see what the markets will do from here. All this thing that you are seeing is just a manipulation, just to like make people enter for buy. You get? So that it will break to the downside. That's exactly what I'm seeing. That's exactly what I'm seeing. Yesterday that I'm seeing a buy from this particular area. I'm seeing a buy from here. The market give me, let me see if I have a comment. Okay, I have plenty comments. Wow. Let's say, wow, what a blessing. Hopefully God bless that one. Yeah. God will surely bless the person. God will surely bless the person. I don't know if he will allow me to mention his name or not. God will surely bless the person, I swear. God will surely bless the person. What's this? Okay, this is all about trading. This is all about trading. It's about trading. Like we are live for a New Year's section. That's just it. I don't know if you are new here. No. Why you say no? Time travel 2 years ago. Nah. Yeah, hello. You're highly welcome. You are highly welcome. You're highly welcome. So that's exactly what I'm waiting for. You understand? That's exactly what I'm waiting for. This is exactly what I'm waiting for. The market to come to this particular area. You understand? Then we'll go in for a sale. Then if we enter for a sale, our stop loss will be above that particular bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. Then we'll target 1 to 3. You understand? That's the only thing I'm waiting for on good. Although I've entered a sale, but immediately I see that particular thing, I just go out because it's not time for buy. You understand? It's not time for buy. If you do your analysis very well, it's not time for buy. Then again, I don't know which other pair you guys want us to see. So I don't know which other pair you guys want us to see. I catch all this move from here to the upside yesterday. You understand? I think my take profit is around this particular area yesterday. My take profit is around this particular area. I enter how many position? I took some of the position here. I took some of the position out here. Then I hold only one till this particular area, and I generate almost $200 yesterday. I generate almost $200 yesterday. Yeah, I made a video and I have not posted it yet. You understand? I don't know. Maybe the markets want a lot of people to enter from here, then it will spike to the upside, clear liquidity before it will like break to the downside. But this is exactly what I'm waiting for. And in less than how many minutes before this particular candlestick will close, This 4 hour candlestick will close in less than how many minutes? In less than 1 hour 9 minutes now, 1 hour 10 minutes now, this particular candlestick will close. So we might see in a short period of time, we might see either a spike to the downside or a spike to the upside before the market will break to the downside. You understand? But I will say that we should enter from here, but if we enter from here now like this for a sell, the SL will be too far. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. If we enter from here for sell, the SL will be too far. So all we need to do is to just wait. You understand? Is to just wait. Either the market go to our point of view or like point of interest, or it goes. You understand? Let's see how it's going to be. Let's see how it's going to be, man. So which other pair do you guys want me to check? Which other pair? Beatrice, you're highly welcome. I see you, I see you, I see you, I see you. I see you, I see you. Continue, Benv. All right. GJUSD. Okay, JPYUSD. All right. Try EUR. All right. So let me check. Let me check. While we wait for this particular good to like do exactly what we want, let's check JPYUSD. I think that's how he call it. JPYUSD is here already. I think we did an analysis on this pair that day. Clyde, I don't know if you still remember. Clyde, I don't know if you still remember. I told you the market is around this particular area day before yesterday that you asked me to do analysis. That day before yesterday, the market is around this particular area. JPYUSD is around this particular area. And I mark out all this particular, this is a resistance level, this is support level, this is support level. I mark all this place out for you. That the market is at the middle, that you should wait for the market to come to either this particular resistance level before you enter for a sell, or you wait for it to come to this particular support level before you enter for a buy. If you can remember, if you remember, just let me know in the comment section, please. As you can see, the market touch on this particular resistance level and break to the downside. All my prediction from day before yesterday is very like all of them just work out. If you remember, just let me know. Let me know if you remember, not carry on. Just let me know if you remember that I told you this particular thing that day for yesterday. Tell me on the comment section. Just let me know if you still remember how I analyze it for you. Just let me know real quick. Let me know real quick. If you remember, let me know. If you remember, just let me know. I told you that the market will, yes, now you come now. You dey stress me. Now you come. The noise of this particular, the noise of the fan is too much. Yeah. I told you that before you do anything, you should wait for the market to come to this particular resistance level before you sell to the downside, or you wait for the market to come to this particular support level before you buy to the upside. You understand? So now I don't know if you enter this particular trade as the market comes to this particular resistance level that I mark out for you. I don't know if you take the trade or not. I don't know if you take the trade or not, because this is the resistance level that I tell you that, because that particular time that you say that I should analyze the market is around here. You understand? It's this particular candlestick, and I told you that you should wait for the market to go to this particular resistance level, then you enter for a sell, or you wait for the market to come to this particular support level down to this particular support level, or you wait for it to the upside. You understand? This is exactly what I told you that day. You understand? And immediately the market touched the resistance level, it like this particular move is not a small move. You understand? If you go to 1 hour time frame, this is not a small move at all. And this is not a small move. Let me even check how many pip. But just that the pip self will not even. This is not a small move. This is where it gives signal for sale. You understand? This is where it gives signal for sale. And then up to this level, this is 1 to 2, almost. This is 1 to 2.3. This, let me just say 1 to 2 already, and it's still going down. It will just reverse to the upside again, then break to the downside. This is where it's coming down, coming to like stop before we see another push to the upside. You understand? This is exactly where it's coming before we see another push to the upside. You understand? Although there is a minor inner support level here, that's the reason why you are seeing this particular consolidation. There's a minor inner support level here of which you're not supposed to like leave any one of them behind. The reason for this consolidation is because of this particular minor inner support level. You understand? All this support level, that's the reason for the consolidation here. But it will break to the downside, come to this main support level before we see another push to the upside. If it will push to the upside, you understand? So that's exactly what I'm looking out for. On GBP, JPY USD, I don't normally trade that. So let me see if this particular trade will play out. I just want this particular XAUSD to play out. I just want it to play out so that we'll enter for a sell. I want it to play out so that we'll enter for a sell. I want it to play out so that we'll enter for a sell. Let me see another one. Okay, I've answered this. Clyde, hope you understand the analysis on JPY USD. Hope you understand the analysis. Then that analysis I did for you, is it day before yesterday? As the market reach that resistance level, do you take the trade or you just leave it like that? If you take the trade, let me know. And if you not take the trade, just let me know. Tell me the truth. USD JPY. So Beatrice, you say USD JPY, NZD JPY, and Euro. Okay. That's very great. So UD, please just some minutes. Let me answer Beatrice. Please, just some minutes. Don't be angry. NAS. NAS USD. Clyde, hold on first. Please, just a bit. Let me answer USD JPY. Beatrice, please. UD, please, just a minute, some minutes, I beg. Just some minutes. Let me check USD JPY real quick. Let me see what USD JPY is doing. Please don't be angry, don't be angry, don't be angry. USD JPY real quick. USD JPY. This is USD JPY here. It's been long that we'll do analysis here. It's been long that we'll do analysis here. If I do analysis, oh my goodness. See analysis that will do over how many? Jesus Christ. Over how many like weeks now? Over how many weeks now? Let me even go to weekly time frame and see. Because I don't know if I do analysis on a pair that I don't trade. I know the total check on that particular over 4 weeks now. Means over 1 month now. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the fourth week. So this is the first week that will do this analysis. This is the fourth week that will do this analysis. And you see how it played out. By then the market is around this particular area, right? Then I say it will fit this particular fair value gap. I mark it out as the market is moving from down here. It will fit this particular fair value gap. Then this is the support level I'm targeting. You see how clean and clear the market played out. It come to the support level and move up a bit, you understand, to this particular resistance level, come down again before it's moving to this particular area, you understand. You see how clean and clear the strategy is playing out. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Okay. Means this is exactly what's happening now like this. The market have take this particular impulsive move from this particular area now, from this particular support level. Let me mark it out on USD JPY. The market have moving like have take off from this particular support level. And this is a strong support level, and if eventually the market close bullish engulf, then just expect the market to like move like this. And since if it close engulf, then expect the market to like at least tomorrow retrace back down a bit, another push to the upside. This is exactly what will happen. If the market, just watch out, if the market close bullish, then you go to your 4 hour time frame. If the market close bullish, but just go to your 4 hour time frame and look for a support level, you understand, on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? I don't know, maybe I think I'll come on live video in the night around 8 p.m. I'll come on live video, then just try to be present during that live section. You understand? Try to be patient, try to be present. I don't know, Beatrice, I don't know if she has still active, but you are the one that asked this question. Try to be present around 8 p.m. You understand, so that we'll see this particular analysis together. But presently, let me see what the market is doing on the lower time frame. But try all your possible best to be present, then we'll mark a support level where you take your buy from tomorrow if the market close bullish engulf. You understand, on the daily time frame. Once it close bullish engulf on the daily time frame, you are good to go to take your swing trade or your day trade. You understand? Even scalp himself will work out. You understand, if the market close engulf. So just let me see what the market is doing on the lower time frame real quick, so that let me go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, Adibin will come on this particular live section on the, maybe during New Year's, is it during London section, we forget an entry when the market is on this particular support level. You understand? But now the market have gone far. You get, the market have gone very, very far. This is where the market is now. And this is where the market is. The market is approaching this particular resistance level. So there is nothing you can do now again. You understand? There is nothing you can do now. If you are talking of buy, the market have overbought already. Means anything that the market will do is to just consolidate, maybe try and reach this particular resistance level, then retest a bit. You understand? Then start consolidating till tomorrow. Then if tomorrow reach, like if we reach tomorrow is Thursday, then you just be waiting for the market to come to this particular inner support level on the 4 hour time frame. You understand? This is support level. You just wait for the market to come to this particular area tomorrow, then you look for a buy opportunity to the upside. Because what I'm seeing on the daily time frame, the market is going to close bullish. And if it close bullish and it's engulf just the way it's going, then it's a very, very good opportunity for buy. You understand? Then it's a very, very good opportunity for buy. And the buy itself will even go far, up to this particular resistance level. You understand? Because it will like climb this particular resistance level. It will come here, like retrace a bit, then go to the next resistance level. You understand? This is exactly what I'm seeing if this particular candlestick close bullish. So please come up with this particular question during our evening section, please and please, because other people will like take a trade on this particular pair. You understand? Other people will take a trade on this particular pair tomorrow, and if care is not taking, if I get a good clean setup tomorrow on this particular pair, I'm going to take, because the market is moving from a right support level. You understand? That's the reason why I say it's going to buy. You understand? So let me see another question real quick. um Let me see another question. I'm on a go trade. Is it a sell or a buy? Are you on a sell or a buy on gold? Let me see. UD you say NZDJPY. Okay, not at all. Was in XAU. Oh wow. Okay, so means I do analysis for you, you not follow it, you not even take a trade, you not even take the trade. No wahala, no wahala, no wahala. Enjoy yourself, sha. Let me see. Benv, no worries. Do your answer first. Okay. First come first serve. I'm not angry. Don't be under pressure to answer my question. Please just be your real self. No wahala, my bro. Thank you so much. I appreciate. Then this is it. NZDJPY. Let's check NZDJPY. Let me check good real quick so that we'll not miss that entry on good. Okay, gold is moving, gold is approaching that particular this thing, head and shoulder now. It's approaching that particular head and shoulder, but please don't just enter immediately if you touch this particular resistance level. You understand? Don't enter immediately. You understand? You will not enter immediately till we get a confirmation. That's how I take my own trade. Please don't enter immediately till we get a confirmation. You understand? Please and please don't enter immediately till we get a confirmation. Don't enter immediately till we get a confirmation. This is where we'll enter from, but we'll get confirmation first before we enter. That's just it. Then let me go to the one that I'm about to answer. NZDJPY. 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 When last do we analyze this NZDJPY? Let me check. Oh. I've never analyzed this particular pair. I've never analyzed this particular pair, and it's moving like that particular JPY USD. The market is moving from this particular support level, and as you can see, it has like this particular daily candlestick have engulfed this particular yesterday candlestick already. You understand? But nevertheless, we'll still go down to the lower time frame and see how it's behaving there. You understand? This is where, okay, is at this particular resistance level, and there is a fair value gap around this particular place. You understand? Anyhow they go, no matter how far it goes, it will not pass this particular fair value gap. You understand? It will not pass this fair value gap before it will start retracing. But there is, if the market close, let me just do all these things before I start explaining it. Then this area where the market is presently, there is the resistance level. Where the market is presently, there is a resistance level. So let me go to 15-minute time frame. Let me go to 15-minute time frame. Okay, on the 15-minute time frame, there is still momentum. There is momentum on the market. There is still momentum on the market. So this is it here. Let me go to daily time frame and start it from the daily time frame. Please pay close attention, please. On a daily time frame, there is a momentum. You understand? The market moved from this particular support level to the upside. You understand? And it's trying to engulf this particular yesterday candlestick, which is Tuesday candlestick. Today is Wednesday. It's trying to engulf this particular candlestick, but on 4-hour time frame, is at one small like minor resistance level. You understand? But on the 15-minute time frame, on 4-hour time frame, okay, let me just, since you have seen how the movement is and where the market is moving from, this is the support level where the market is moving from to the upside. So this is exactly what you have seen, how the daily time frame is going. Then let me go to 4-hour time frame. Okay, on the 4-hour time frame, this is how the market is moving on the 4-hour time frame. Then the market moved from this particular support level, reach this, like approach this particular resistance level, then come down, almost make a double bottom. You understand, with this particular one, then give this particular hammer. It's this hammer now that pushed the market all the way to this particular resistance level. But presently, the market is on this particular 4-hour time frame resistance level. You understand? So as the market is on this particular 4-hour time frame resistance level, I will go down to 15-minute time frame. Let's see the reaction of the market from the 15-minute time frame. If the reaction is like, if the market look weak on the 15-minute time frame, or if we see a bearish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, then we'll be expecting the market to like retrace to this particular support level. You understand? If let me mark it out. If there is any weak candlestick like a bearish engulfing candle on a 15-minute time frame, then we'll be expecting the market to like retrace back down a bit, you understand, maybe to this particular inner support level before we see another push to the upside, because then but the kind of momentum the market is taking from that particular support level, from this particular support level, it look as if the market is going to like break above this particular resistance level, you understand, to me the kind of momentum I'm seeing. But before we conclude that one, we'll see how the market is going to close, you understand. How I take, like how I normally do my daily analysis is, if I come to my chart, I'll first of all look at how yesterday candlestick close. If yesterday candlestick close bearish, I will mark out that particular low, you understand, that particular low of yesterday candlestick and the high of yesterday candlestick. Then if the market is, then I'll go to 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I'll be looking out for a support level when the market is approaching that particular low of that yesterday candlestick. I'll be looking for a support level either on the 4 hour time frame or on the 15-minute time frame. If the market come to that particular support level, you understand, I will watch out for a reaction of that particular of the markets from that particular area. If the market is reacting and I'm seeing a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame, I will enter for a buy, you understand, because maybe the market that closed bearish and bearish like that closed bearish yesterday, today candlestick might close and engulf that particular yesterday candle, you understand. So that's where a stop loss will come in, you understand. If the market is approaching that particular support level, then you just like target a buy when you are seeing your candlestick confirmation. If you are seeing your candlestick confirmation, you just enter for a buy. Then if you enter for a buy for that particular support level, your stop loss will go below that yesterday low, you understand. Your stop loss will go below that particular low. Then because in case if the market break below that particular yesterday low, means the market is going to go down lower, you understand. Then if the market break above that yesterday high, means the market is going to engulf that particular yesterday candlestick. Like there is a strong calculation, you understand, when it comes to that particular technical analysis, you understand. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Make I drink water. I don't know if you guys are understanding what I'm saying. Like I need to break it down to the let me check gold first. Don't be angry. Let me check gold because I don't want to miss that entry on gold. I don't want to miss that entry on gold. Okay, this is it. It has tapped on this particular head and shoulder. You understand? Then let me see how many pips from here. 130. If you enter a sell from here, it will be 130, 134. That's 134 pip. 134 pip. That 134 pip, if you use, it will be much. It will be much. It will be much. Let me see. Let me see what will happen from this particular area first. Let me see what will happen from this particular area first. Already it has tapped on this particular area that I'm expecting, but we'll still wait for confirmation. That's why we'll still wait for confirmation. We'll still wait for confirmation before we enter because of this particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? This bearish engulfing candle, and it has less than 45 minutes now. You understand? For this particular candlestick to close, for this particular 4 hour candlestick to close. All my trade is calculation. I don't just know why. All my trade is calculation. I don't like to, I understand. Thanks. All right, thank you so much. I analyze exactly as you are doing, but catching this setup is my big problem. Wow. Can you imagine? See, it take courage. You understand, man? That is one particular topic that we're supposed to like talk about. You understand? Because of this particular thing that you said. It take courage. You understand? It take courage to enter your to see your setup and enter. As you can see now, the market have tapped on that particular head and shoulder that I mark. You understand? But I'm not going inside now because of what? Because I'm still waiting for more confirmation. And if I get that confirmation, I will enter for that particular sale. You understand? The only thing that will make me enter, I'm giving you answer now, Beatrice. The only thing that will make me enter if my setup play out is how much am I risking per that particular trade. If I'm risking any amount that will give me sleepless night or that will cost my rest of mind, I will reduce it down. You understand? I will reduce that particular loss down. So if you analyze your trade, just reduce the amount that you are going to like risk so that you just enter to even make sure that yes, the analysis you do work. You understand? But you have to be trading your analysis. If you analyze it, just enter so that the worst that will happen is either you lose the trade or you win the trade. You understand? That is the only two things that will happen. But only when the reason for that your for that your this thing fear now is what if the trade go against me. You understand? That is where you're supposed to like risk the minimum amount, you understand, that you can afford to lose. You get? So just reduce your risk and be taking your trade the way you analyze it. So we'll wait for more confirmation on this particular good. Okay, you say you are understanding it. Okay, let me still go and break it down. Let me still go and break it down. Let me still go and break it down. Share you guys see the reason why I say we should wait for confirmation. We'll still wait for confirmation. Like, don't just because of that head and shoulder and just enter trade. We'll still wait for more confirmation. Adibi would not wait for confirmation now. If we don't enter drawdown. You understand? We'll wait for confirmation before we take a trade. My own is if I see my setup, I must wait for confirmation. All the trade that I take yesterday, even the one that I take today that I stop out, I enter for a buy around this particular area. I stop it out because I see my confirmation before I enter the trade, but I stop it out because of that 4-hour bearish engulfing candle that I see. You understand? Immediately I see that 4-hour bearish engulfing candle, I say the market will not go far before it will like reverse to the downside. So let's wait for more confirmation on gold before we take a sell. You understand? So please hold on for me. Hold on for me. This is 218. 218 more neo session. No get joy. 218 and anything 3 o'clock. I just pray so that we'll get our confirmation before 3 o'clock. I pray we'll get confirmation before 3 o'clock. All right. So this is it here. This is it here. This is it here. The question that I'm let me see. That question that I'm sorry. Let me see what. Okay, it's UD that asked that question. Let me see. Okay, NZD. Okay, it's NZD. Okay. So you say you are understanding it well. Then I need to break it down again. You understand? So I don't know. I need to be monitoring this particular good so that I will not miss the entry. I need to be monitoring that particular good so that I will not miss the entry. So you guys should not vex. So I entered this particular trade since, you understand, this particular trade on GBP I entered it since and it's running. Let me show you how it look like. I entered this trade since, you understand. If you look at it now, I entered the trade since, you understand. It's a buy trade on this thing, GBP but it has been long that I enter. Then these are the ones that have closed already. These are the ones that have closed. If you look closely, you see XAUSD, a buy position. I've closed that particular one. I closed it because of that particular bearish engulfing candle. If not because I close it, I for don't make crazy amount of money from inside. But I don't want to take any trade that will give me double mind. You understand? I don't want to take any trade that will give me double mind. Like, I want clarity. You understand? I want clarity. So now like this particular DPUSD is just going, but there is a place I mark out for this particular, for the market to reach. I mark this particular place, that particular place that you are seeing. I mark it out for the market to reach there before I will stop it out, or I'll maybe manually Another network problem. Why now? Can you hear me now, please? Is it from me? Okay. No, it's not from me. It's from my end. What is this? I don't know if you guys can hear me now, please. Okay, okay, okay. Yes, we can hear you. Okay, 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 okay. So thank God. Okay, we'll be waiting for this particular candlestick to close now. We'll be waiting for this particular candlestick now. If this one can be able to close bearish, you understand, and it will engulf this particular one, then we'll just go in for a sell. If this particular candlestick can be able to close bearish, then we'll go in for a sell. Market these days is unpredictable, man. Unpredictable, unpredictable, unpredictable. Volume again. I can't hear you now. Okay, I can hear you now, but volume again. Please, can you hear me? Let me see. Volume again. We can hear you now. Okay, okay, okay. So that's great. Yes, you are fine. Okay, yeah, okay, okay, okay. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, this is the high of that part. In less than 28 minutes, this particular candlestick will close, and this is the high. Hmm? This is the high of this particular. Hey, Makachuku. Mm-mm, mm-mm. This is the reason why I say there is no way. See, no matter how you understand your strategy reach ba, please try get a candlestick confirmation. You understand ba? Please and please try get a candlestick confirmation. If you don't have a candlestick confirmation, you will suffer. You understand? Please, no matter how your strategy good reach, get a candlestick confirmation. um Have a candlestick confirmation. Okay, have you been I be person wey dey only use this kind head and shoulder. This is the market for just don put me to this thing draw down like mad now, you understand. So if not because of I have one particular candlestick confirmation that I always follow, na for don enter this trade since, and e for don dey read minus 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 minus. Hey, no, 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 no. Have a candlestick confirmation regardless. um have a candlestick confirmation. If you don't have a candlestick confirmation, it's not good. It's it's manipulating early seller, sir. Trying to take Asia high. Let's be careful. Yeah, now once I get that particular confirmation, then that's just all. You understand? Once I get, you are right to, but once I get that particular confirmation, that's all. My candlestick confirmation, once I get my candlestick confirmation, all of you will see what will happen. You understand? Once I see my candlestick confirmation, all of you will see what will happen. That's just the only thing. If I see my candlestick confirmation, I'll just enter with full confidence. You understand? I'll enter with full confidence. If it's like, let it give me SL. If you like, let it give me lost. Let it give me profit. But let me be rest assured that yes, I did not take this particular trade unnecessarily. I see my candlestick confirmation. That's just it. So I want to be using my candlestick confirmation to be taking trade with you guys so that you guys will see how authentic, like how it work. You understand? That 15-minute bullish or bearish engulfing candle, I want to be using it to be taking trade with you guys so that you guys will see how it work. You understand? That's the only thing. And that's the only thing. Use once I see that. Okay, let me show you guys what the market do before it break to the downside. Before the market go to the downside, what exactly do you see? It give a bearish candle here, then come give a bullish candle. You understand? Then after that bullish candle, it give a bearish engulfing candle. You understand? Do you understand what the market do? Then after it give this bearish engulfing candle, do you see any other bullish candle around from this particular 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? This 6 candlestick that follow themselves, do you see another bullish candle? No. You understand? You not see another bullish candle because you give a clean, you understand, signal before it's going to the downside. You get what? So now, as the market is like trying to manipulate, he knows that people are waiting for, like, as the market give bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, he knows that people will take a sell. A lot of people will enter for a sell. People who use bearish engulfing candle will enter for a sell, especially those that enter trade, and especially swing traders. You understand? It's only swing traders now that this thing will affect, because then they will see bullish engulfing, bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame and enter for long time. You understand? For some days, not knowing that is a setup. You understand? But me, I'm not a swing trader. You understand? I will just wait. Once I see that bearish engulfing candle, immediately I'm seeing this particular candlestick here, I know it's a setup, that the market have not really touched this particular area. And when the market come this particular area, I must see my confirmation. Either the next candle that will open and close. You understand? Open and close below something like this. You understand? Do something like this. Open and close below this particular bullish candle. You understand? Then I'll say we'll enter from here and put our stop loss above this particular black this thing line. You get? But now like this, imagine if I had not wait for my candlestick confirmation and I enter. No, 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 no. You understand? No, no, never, never. Okay, now see the manipulation the market do. Okay, for those like for we that are used to like use bullish engulfing candle to take our buy position, let me show you what the market do. The market give a bullish engulfing candle here. It refused to go up. Okay, immediately I see that particular bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, I stop my trade out here. That is the reason why you see that I end that particular gold buy end in profit. I think I made about how many dollars sef? Okay, I make $15.8. You understand? they move from here, you understand, from this particular area to this place. I made about 15.8 dollar, you understand. Then immediately I stop it out because of that bearish engulfing candle I see on the 4 hour time frame. The market come down, you understand. As the market come down, e give this bullish engulfing candle. Like, adibin, I'm somebody that don't have patience, you understand, that don't have this discipline to be patient. I for say okay, to it has give another signal, let me enter for a buy. I for enter for a buy from here, and do you know what, the market for stop me out with this particular long week, with this particular manipulative long week. Okay, now the market, as the market is trying to go up now, there is no any sign of bullish engulfing candle again. You understand, there is no any sign of bullish engulfing candle again. So abeg, please and please, there is a lot of candlestick that you use to confirm your entry. Don't just say the market have given my strategy, let me just enter. No, please have one particular candlestick confirmation. Please and please have one particular candlestick confirmation. Imagine if I don't have a candlestick confirmation, we for don dey run in loss now like this from this particular area. If not because I'm waiting for my candlestick confirmation, we for don dey run in loss. You understand? And people that this thing will pain the most are people who enter swing trade. And swing traders, this thing will pain swing traders. You understand, to their bone, to pain swing traders. Because imagine market give you bullish bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, then the next candlestick will let me hide everything. Imagine candlestick will give you bearish engulfing candle like this, then the next candlestick go up and clear you out. Very very painful. You understand, very very painful. Just that market this our game is a game of probability. You understand, is either if you enter a trade you just lock up, is either it give you loss or it give you profit. If like if you don't have that kind of mind now, people who enter who take a swing trade now, they will be like you understand, who use bearish engulfing candle. Because I see a lot of people now, but I don't know why they know they talk about that particular. A lot of people use bearish and bullish engulfing candle to take their trade. Both swing traders and scalpers, the trader, they use this particular bullish engulfing candle to take their trade, but they don't talk about it. You understand? I think I'm the only person that keep on preaching about this particular bullish and bearish engulfing candle. Now like this, the market have closed, is trying to close above this particular bearish candle, and everybody that will use this particular bearish engulfing candle to take a sell position to this particular, maybe somewhere around this particular support level now, they will be like crying now. Okay, had it been me that want to like enter for a sell, I don't have a candlestick confirmation. Imagine if I don't have a candlestick confirmation, before you know, and for them like remain small now, less than how many this thing now, so that it will hit SL. Imagine if I don't have a candlestick confirmation. Let me see. Imagine if I don't have a candlestick confirmation. Mm. Imagine if I don't have a candlestick confirmation. So having a candlestick confirmation plus your strategy is very very necessary. You understand? It's very 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 necessary. It's very very necessary. But please answer me, hope nobody take a sell o. Hope nobody take a sell. You guys that is active now, hope nobody take a sell. Please, abeg. And the reason why I always be afraid of coming live to take trade with you guys is, maybe when I will say you guys should wait, people should wait, they will not wait, and they will just go and take that particular trade without confirmation. Mm. Hope nobody enter this particular trade. You guys should answer me, please. Hope nobody enter this particular trade, because we do not see confirm, like, I anyone that take a sell na their problem. Abeg, take am easy, take am easy, take am easy, take am easy, brother. I don't even trade good. Okay, that's very nice. That's very nice. Clyde, abeg, take am easy, take am easy. God, this guy, eh? I'm very... Why, see, why you dey like this, Clyde? Why, why you dey like this? Why you, why you dey like this? Anyone that take a say nothing. Make I see. Okay, okay, okay. That's very great. E dey pain me when person no wan lis ten. E dey pain you ba? No be lie, no be lie, no be lie. Okay, you dey say you don trade gold. That's good sha. But do you know the promise I will give to you guys? One promise I will give to you guys is I will try all my possible best. I don't know when I will travel, but today is Wednesday, tomorrow is Thursday, next tomorrow is Friday. You understand? You see, tomorrow and next tomorrow, I'll try all my possible best during London section. In the morning, I know dey too dey sharp like that too, but I'll try all my possible best, you understand, to come live during London section so that I'll be taking my trade with you guys so that at least I know maybe I might don I might not reach the person that you'll be looking up to be your mentor, but the little I know, I will come here and be taking trade with you guys so that if I end up in loss, you guys will end up in loss. And if I end up in profit, you guys will end up in profit. Then what I'll do is I'll try all my possible best um to carry you guys along because that one will be like this their mentorship now, you understand? Because the love I'm getting from you guys is not the kind of love that will take you guys for granted. I swear to God, it's not a love that will take you guys for granted. I swear, I swear, I swear. I mean, I can't hear you. Oh, why? Please, if you can hear me, let me know, please. If you can hear me, let me know, please. If you can hear me, let me know. If you can hear me, let me know, please. If you can hear me, if you can hear me, we can hear you. Okay. So this is exactly what I'm saying. Tomorrow, if I will, like, I know I usually open my chat very early, maybe sometimes 7 before, from 7 to 8. You understand? That's when I dey open my chat. You understand? Then look for entry for London section. You understand? So what I'll do is I'll just pray so that there will be light. Now that um our brother have help us subscribe the platform, I'll be coming on during London section, because my that strategy that I always use, it played out mostly on during London section. You understand? So I'll be coming here and be taking that trade with you guys. Then we'll, like, all of us will see how it works together. You understand? You see how patient and how disciplined I will be to wait for my pattern, to wait for my strategy to play out. And I'll try my best to come on live video before the setup come outside. You understand? So that you guys will see how discipline I am. You understand? To wait for my setup to play out before I'll take a trade. You get, so that it won't be like, so that it no go just be like only when I take a trade I'll post it. You understand? I'll just be like here, take trade with you guys, and you guys will see how it played out. You understand? Then all of us will just go together like that, because if I check my history for the past, I just use for the past 3 months, for let me just, it will don pass like that kind 4 months, 5 months now, that I keep ending my week in profit. You understand? But there's a tactic, there's a strategy I use. You understand? There's a strategy I use. Sometimes I use partial profit. You understand? There is a way I manage my trade. So if you see me take trade like maybe once, or maybe I take trade once, I take trade twice, and you like the way I take my trade, then maybe you replicate that particular type of maybe psychology, or maybe that kind discipline, or maybe that kind patience in your own journey. You understand? So that at least it will just be like, um how am I even going to put it? I don't know how I'm going to put it, but I would like to come and be taking all my trade live with you guys, so that you see how I take my trade. You understand? That's what I'm going to be doing now, like this. Okay, now what I want you guys to learn from this particular trade now, from this particular thing that go do, is you guys should learn that as I mark that particular head and shoulder out, and the market give a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame. I can hear you now. Okay. As I mark that head and shoulder out, and the market give a bearish engulfing candle on the 4 hour time frame, you guys can see that I had not entered the market, I had not take a sell. Why? Because my strategy, my candlestick confirmation have not played out. You understand? That one, you guys should learn one thing from this particular life that I come with you guys during this particular New Year section now. You understand? So this is the main important reason why you're supposed to be waiting for your strategy to play out clean and clear before you enter your trade. Don't, because of fear of missing out. You understand? Had it been I'm afraid of maybe the market will go down, leave us this and that, we for just chop SL now like this, we for chop SL. But I can have like I'm getting this discipline, you understand, to be patient and wait for my strategy. So I want all of you guys who are watching me now to get that discipline. You understand? Get that discipline to wait for your strategy to play it out anytime, any day. Even if the market like, let it go, in your direction, leave you. You should not see your strategy. If your strategy do not play out and the market is going, let it go, just allow it to go. Tomorrow still day, next tomorrow day, next week day, next year day. You understand? So if your strategy did not play out and the market is going in your favor, please allow it to go until you see your strategy before you enter a trade. Then if your strategy play out and you take that particular trade and it give you SL, that one you have rest of mind that yes, that one you even be proud of yourself that yes, moreover I wait for my strategy, e played out before I take this particular trade, so nothing spoil. You understand? So please and please stick to your strategy. You understand, ba? If you are like, if you don't wait for your strategy to play out, that is how you are going to be like taking loss, taking profit, taking loss upon loss upon loss upon loss until you stick to one particular strategy that work like always, almost every time for you. You understand? No any strategy is 100% correct o, but if you can be able to stick to your strategy and wait for it to play out, you will be coming out successfully, you will be coming out profitably every blessed week, and if not every blessed week, every blessed month. You understand? So I don't know if you guys get one or two from this particular advice that I just give. Please, if you get any advice from this particular thing that I just said give, please let me know on the comment section. Always wait for your strategy and your candlestick confirmation to play out before you take a trade. Please, if you get anything from this particular advice, please let me know, let me know, let me know. If you get anything from this particular advice, please let me know. What's up, bro? Libra FX, you are welcome. I see you, my brother. You are welcome, you are welcome, you are welcome. So if you get any advice from this particular thing that I just said, just let me know. Waiting for your strategy to play out, okay, okay, thank you, Yudi, means you understand. Be very, very careful and be very, very patient, be very disciplined to wait for your strategy and your candlestick confirmation to play out. Did you trade today? Yeah, I trade, I trade, I trade. I trade. I trade and just a small win. It's just a small win, but I'll not call it a small win because all win is a win. All win is a win. I think I've made about $45 so far, and if I should close, because this is to trade, so I'm going to close this trade now. I'm closing this trade now. This is to 3 already, so I'm closing this trade now. So you guys should not vex for me. I enter this trade before I come on this particular live video. You understand? I enter the trade before I come on this particular live video. This is to 3 already, so this is to 3 already, so I'm going to close this trade now. Let me close it, then I'll show you guys the total profit that I make today. I made a total profit of $70. This is it, and none of the trade is SL, none of the trade is minus, and this is how much I make so far. Like, I don't know, I don't know if you guys can see it. This is $70. So 70.40 something dollar in profit. You understand? That's exactly what I make. Then yesterday I still made profit. Then that yesterday, Kai, that live video that he goes, Kai, oh my god, make I not just repeat that thing. Like it's paining me to my bone, I swear. Let me not repeat it. Let me not repeat it. So please guys, I'll see you guys during London section. All this trade that I take is during London section that I take this particular trade. You understand? During London section that I take this particular trade. Then what will happen is I'll come on live stream at least 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. You understand? Let's wait for strategy to play out, then we'll all take trade together that tomorrow. You understand? I'll come on live stream tomorrow morning. That is before London section open. You understand? So that I'll wait for strategy, then we'll take a trade together so that you guys will see exactly how I take my trade using the strategy that I always preach about. Let it not be as if I'm talking about that particular strategy, but I'm not using it. No. You understand? So unfortunately, this the trade that we have been waiting for did not give us our strategy to take, and this is 1 minute, less than 1 minute to 3 o'clock. And just as I always say, anything 3 o'clock, bam, I'm off the market. You understand? So now like this, it will be tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow morning by 8 a.m. please. Then again, we are going to analyze the market to see how today candlestick close this evening. You understand? By 8 p.m. we are coming on live video, on live stream here, to see how the market close. Then we'll be prepared for tomorrow London section live stream. You understand? So see you guys later by 8 p.m. sharp. 8 p.m. sharp, we are going to like do analysis together, do a technical analysis together, then bring any question you know that if I talk about it, it will help you. You understand? Bring any question that you like to ask me. You understand? So that we'll rub mind together as one family. I love you guys all from the bottom of my heart. I love you guys, and I see you later. Anything 8 p.m. sharp, I'll be live. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Kai, Yodi, thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate. I appreciate. Thank you. So see you guys later. See you guys later. See you guys later. See you guys later. Man, by 8 p.m. sharp. Yeah.